In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a product on Amazon as a gift to a person. And first, we need to find a product that we want to send as a gift. For example, I'm going to use this phone. So what you need to do is we need to scroll down and then click on Add to Basket or Buy Now. For example, I'm going to click on Buy Now. And now we need to click on Dispatch to change the address. And we actually gonna click here on add a new delivery address. So as you can see, we have others. So your remaining one will still be there. You don't need to worry about this. So click on add new address. And then you're gonna type in the address of the person that you wanna send the gift to. And after you have done that, you can send it with their address and yeah, it will be sent to them. And then you can simply just click on Dispatch again after this and change it back to your location. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.